Yeah, it's real.
Is something gonna jump on me?
Probably.
About to get that scary ass.
哎，我让你们看看兜兜这脸上到底有多少粉。兜姐把口红弄坏了啊！小蕊是不是有病？哈哈哈哈哈！门掉了！
Just real fast. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Hey, what was that good?
No.
No.
Oh, what the f? Stop! Stop! You scumbag! What the f? Go! Holy f! Holy f! What the f? Do you mind if I fart on you real quick?
Huh?
Like fart.
What?
Like fart on you, like.
What else? What other reasons?
You don't mind, man?
Smack this guy?
Huh?
I'm saying though. Let me talk to you first.
What?
Because I'm saying.
No, there's a camera, there's a camera! There's a camera! Camera! Huh? What?
American police. It's actually a prank.
Your number since that was like really smooth.
Okay.
What's your number?
951
951.
282.
That's so weird. That's like the same number as my future wife. That's crazy.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah.
Could you hold?
We're gonna scare John.
You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, Elijah! Oh, you're so busted.
I haven't seen you either.
Well, I'm gonna be late.
All right. Have a good day.
I feel like I'm in one of those YouTube videos where guys pick up girls and like have their reaction. You know what I mean?
What are you
know what I'm
talking about?
What the fuck was that?
Him and Colin, run in here and come get y'all juice.
Hey, how's it going?
Watch this. Here. Look, it's dead. Look, it's dead. Look, 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 look.
Sorry, could you just hold this for me real fast?
Hold what?
Sorry. Thanks. Sorry, I just need your help. It's so heavy.
Yeah?
Thanks.
This part smells like hot Cheetos. Your muscles were low-key looking kind of scrumptious. Fuck! Oh! Fuck, we're joking. It's a fucking joke.
Huh?
Give me a punch.
I just want to give you a punch.
What you mean you want to give me a punch, boy? Back up, man.
A punch.
Hey, guys, don't go back.
Bro.
Yeah, it's the new scratch and sniff box. Smells like chocolate.
Really?
Excuse me. Could you be a doll and hold this for me real fast? Sorry.
I'm kind of late to class.
Just grab it. Thanks. Okay, let's, I'm gonna buy you Starbucks.
I'm late to class.
Hey, you know, that really isn't that much funny.
Did someone call my name?
Happy first day of spring. That don't mean nothing.
It was on you. It's on you. Oh. You see it?
No, it's really heavy. I just have to, ready? No, you're gonna drop it. Ready? No, what's your name?
Natalie.
I want to be your blueberry for the day.
Fuck that, my nigga.
Come on, man, kiss me.
Oh, bro, it's a fucking joke, bro. It's a fucking camera, dude. Oh my god.
All right, see you later.
Bye. Scared. Is it
Don't be
an
scared.
animal?
No, are you kidding? I'd be scared if it was an animal. Thanks. Don't drop it.
Oh my god.
All right.
Bye.
Wasn't good? I thought that was pretty smooth.
That's pretty sick. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Just
Daddy?
I'm gonna knock you out.
What do you think, Ben?
I'm gonna pull up. Okay, ready? Oh my god!
I'm throwing it out of here! Get the